Riria mutumia oha nda akoragwo na kirigiriro gia gukua nda mieri 9 mihuru na niguo anyite gakenge gake na moko, no kuri angi mekoraga makiamukira ciana ciao tene gukirikana umwe gatagati ga ciana 10 iria ciciaragwo o muthenya iciaragwo ihinda riao ritakinyanĩirie kumana na mathina matiganite.
Premature births is a global issue. Each year we have around 15 million babies being born as preterm. That account for is like one baby out of 10 births we get is a preterm baby. They struggle for survival, for growth, and we give hope.
Our journey started in 2015 when I was 20 weeks. I started bleeding and I was admitted. But when I was 26 and a half weeks, that's when we could not hold the baby anymore and he was evacuated and the journey started. We can all imagine when we conceive, we are so looking forward to chubby babies. We are now even looking for names, fancy names. You are Googling for where you'll go shopping, but for us, it never came to be because it happened that they could not keep into our tummies anymore.
Ari mothe wa gukungwira ciana iria ciciaragwo ihinda ritakinyanĩirie, thibitari wa Kenyatta ni ukungwire mothe uyu na njira ya bata makimurika maria thibitari uyu wekireire niguo gutigirira ni marumbuia ciana ici o hamwe na mathina maria thibitari uyu urang'ethanira namo hari kuruta motungata maya.
That one doesn't mean that the unit does not face challenges. There are so many challenges, but some of the challenges that can be highlighted is the space, whereby we know that we need many kangaroo babies, we need our preterms to go home, but we are limited with space. So space issue. We also have cot and incubator issue for our preterm babies, for them to go home. It must be one baby, one cot, one baby, one incubator, unlike what is on the ground.
Muthenya uyu ari wa guthomithia muingi megimainie na maria ciana ici igeragiraga hamwe na family ciao. Thibitari ni ubataraga kwambia kurumbuiania na mutumia uyu wohete nda ona kamwira mwana aciaritwo na niguo kuona ndanorwo ni mwana wake ona kana muoyo wake hamwe na kuhariria riera ria haria mwana aguthaitirwo.
World Prematurity Day. So we want to create awareness about the challenges that preterm infants face and the families, what do they go through. We also are here to honor preterm babies and their families. Some of them are represented here, and we don't take it for granted that they have traveled from where they came to come and celebrate with us. We really celebrate your strength, your bravery, your resilience to actually make time to be with us today and actually to see your babies through. So as we as KNH, how do we contribute to the care of preterm babies? So when think about the pyramid of healthcare facilities, we actually sit at the peak as a tertiary level facility. For us, we provide advanced level care, teaching and medical education. A lot of you here are from the neonatal nursing training program. We also offer research and innovation that goes to create guidelines and protocols that are used not only in Kenya but even in other countries beyond our borders.
Muingi ni uritio gucerera atumia aria matanaheirwo na ciana ihinda ritakinyanĩirie na niguo kumahe kiande na kuona ni mahota kwihinya hari ureri wao. Gukuma na thi makĩũrio gutigirira ni mamenyerera atumia aya riria marenda kumenya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ wa ciana ciao.
We need to work on family-centered care, and it took a research team, and I was part of that research, that showed us exactly how we were treating our mothers. How we were treating our mothers. A mother walks up to us and asks, "How is my baby doing?" And our reply is, "Do you want me to take care of these 8 babies that I'm taking care of, or to stop here and talk to you?" We can't talk like that to our mothers. Or we can't keep telling them we are busy.
There's nothing too small that you can give can help in the survival of this baby. So think about what you can do. You can for example, sit with a mom who you know has a preterm, just give her a few minutes of your time, an encouraging word. You can come to the unit and support those moms. You can give in kind, you know, give with talking about it in your church groups. Wherever you are, you can do something that can really impact the care for this baby. So we can work together.
Ari muthi wa gukungwira ciana iria ciciaragwo itakinyanĩirie, atumia aria mohete nda ni morite gwikinyagia thibitari niguo guthurimwo mahinda kwa mahinda na gutigirira ati ni marumirira kliniki ciao niguo gutigirira ugima wao wa mwiri na uria wa ciana ciao ni wathurimwo. Ngiribotera Kiheo TV ndi muciĩ munene wa Nairobi, njĩtagwo Joyce Wanjiku wa Mwangi.